So Joel and I have been living here almost a year. It's going to be a year at the end of this month. It's May. And I have never seen it flood this much. It's been raining for the past hour or two. And we live by a creek. If I get a good view. This is my porch. And look at that. Look at all that water. There's a field and then there's a creek. And it's flooding. So Joel and I have taken our desktop computer and put it on the coffee table, and then we took our subwoofer and our surround sound amp and put it on our futon, just in case it does flood more, because the rain hasn't stopped. It slowed down, but it hasn't stopped. So we don't want it to flood and hurt our equipment, so we did that. Hopefully it won't flood anymore. Ooh, cross your fingers.
Now you can totally see that. That's the creek. Alright, the water is pretty high. It's into the tennis courts. Going to go check on the car. Look at the parking lot. Glad I didn't park on the street. Oh, that's water. Uh-oh. Oh, that's no good. No good, no good. Look at that guy. Nicely flooded. See that guy?
Now we're upstairs at our neighbor's place and we have a better view.
Look at little Froggy. He's happy. He's trying to reclaim all his territory.
This is the path to my apartment, and it's literally a lake. Still raining. It's a couple of hours later. It is right now 12:24, Tuesday, May 26th. I'm getting a pretty cool light show. Alright, so it is 1:31 in the morning, and it's been raining for about 4 hours. We were watching the news on Local 2 Houston, and they said we got as much rain as a tropical storm tonight. So we got an amazing amount of rain. It's crazy. We're coming outside here on my porch. Okay, so we're gonna take you guys around. Again, it's 1:30 a.m. here.
I think this is as high as it's going to get. Let's check on the parking lot. We move the car up.
We move the car up just to be sure.
Because this is all watery. Oh wait, let me grab my flashlight.
think it's gonna be okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah,
This is the street.
we parked here, and I feel for these people because I've been there. Oh goodness.
Yeah, that's not where you want to be parked.
Look at my gate now. The river out here that we had is now receding, and it's not raining at all right now. Still lightning. Beautiful. Okay, so the water is receded in the parking lot, which makes me also very happy. Remember how I showed you guys that we put our car over the little cement barrier thing in the parking lot? Well, we just put it back over on the correct side, and that was pretty easy, which is good. And my car is okay, which makes me very happy, because I've lost a different car many years ago to floodwater, and it's not good. So if you lost your car to the floodwater here in Houston, I'm very sorry, and you don't deserve that, because I've been there, and I know it sucks, but you'll get another car and it will be better. That's what happened to me. So you will get to the other side of that. So now we went out there and the street's not flooded anymore or anything, and we can show you guys now. If you come out our front gate now, it's just a field. And this is how it's supposed to be. You can see all the sticks and stuff from the flood last night. And there's still water over there.
That's how high the water was, where all the leaves are.
There's probably a gate. That looks like a water stream.
Yep. The creek is still pretty high, but at least it's within its banks. Alright, this is the street day after. Now it's not underwater, but those cars were.